Today, we're talking about car batteries for welding generators. Choosing the right battery can significantly impact your welding productivity. We'll cover the essential aspects you need to know to make an informed decision, so stick around. Welding generators are essential tools for any serious welder, but powering them effectively is key. And at the heart of that power lies the battery. Choosing the right car battery can make the difference between a smooth, productive welding session and a frustrating series of interruptions. So, what factors should you consider? First, battery type. You've got several options, each with its own pros and cons. Traditional lead-acid batteries are affordable, but they require regular maintenance. Absorbent glass mat, or AGM batteries, are more durable and spill-proof, making them a popular choice. Gel batteries offer similar advantages to AGM, while lithium-ion batteries are the most modern and lightweight option, though they come at a higher price. Understanding these differences is the first step. Next up, cold cranking amps, or CCA. This tells you how well the battery can start your generator in cold weather. Important, right? But even more crucial for welding is reserve capacity, or RC. RC indicates how long the battery can power your generator before needing a recharge. For welding, you need a battery with a high RC to ensure long, uninterrupted welding sessions. You don't want to stop mid-job because your battery died. Finally, voltage and amp-hour rating. These need to match your welding generator. Most generators use 12V or 24V systems. Getting the voltage right prevents power fluctuations and potential system failures. The amp-hour rating, essentially tells you how much power the battery can store. A higher R rating means longer run times. So remember, battery type, CCA, RC, voltage, and amp-hour rating. By considering these key factors, you can choose the perfect car battery for your welding generator, ensuring reliable power and maximizing your welding productivity. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on battery safety guidelines for welding professionals, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.